Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Wiederhold with Chiropractic, and we're shooting this video to talk about a little bit of the basic concept of chiropractic. Now, first of all, looking at our spine. Our spinal bones are very important for many things, but one of the most important things they do is protect your spinal cord, which is in the middle of it, and then the nerves that branch off that go to everything else in your body. And that's, of course, how your brain, sitting way up here, communicates with your heart and your lungs and your kidneys and your liver and so on and so forth. Now, chiropractors deal with a word called subluxation. And what that subluxation is referring to is a change in the spine. So for example, if we take the spine and we change the alignment of the spine, that is going to move the opening where the nerve comes out, and that change in the shape of the opening begins to put pressure on the nerve, irritate the nerve. Ultimately, what it's doing is interfering with the messages that the brain is conducting down that nervous system to, again, those other organs: heart, lungs, kidneys, liver, glands. Basically, every cell in your body has a nerve supply. Now, obviously, people come to chiropractors for neck pain, headaches, back pain, so on and so forth. And chiropractors get really good results with those things. But considering what I just explained to you, chiropractic helps with a lot more things. And it's not always just about pain. Just like the person can go to the dentist and they find a cavity in their tooth and that person does not have a toothache. Or consider the heart attack victim that has the heart attack, but for the months and years leading up to that heart attack never felt a thing. Chiropractic is not always dealing with pain. That nerve interference, that breakdown in communication, and breakdown in function of your body that I just explained can happen without having a symptom present. So chiropractic becomes a wellness, a preventative form of health care, taking care of your body, keeping it working the way it's supposed to work, even without symptoms there. Think of it this way. Your body is designed to heal itself. If you cut your finger, you can put medication on there, bandages, whatever you want to put on that cut. But there's only one thing that's going to create or make new skin cells to heal that cut, and that's going to be your own body. When a chiropractor adjusts you, and we remove that nerve interference off of the spine, and the communication process is then restored, your body is able to heal itself more efficiently. Another way to think about it is this: there is no sickness, no illness, no disease, anything like that that can form in your body without first overcoming your nervous system. If it can't overcome it, the brain's going to tell your body what to do, and it's going to take care of the issue. Now, the way that you get the so-called subluxation, or that interference in your spine, is things that you do every day, all day long. It doesn't have to come from a car accident or a trauma. It can be repetitive motion, the way you sit and stand and sleep, poor posture, chemicals that build up in your muscles from your foods or medications that you take, and causing that muscle to tighten and pull on the spine. There's many different causes, and the biggest part of chiropractic is not just treating the pain, but again, keeping your body working the way it's supposed to work, taking care of those interferences, whether there's symptoms there or not. Now, another consideration may be you've maybe ran into someone that said, chiropractic helped my child's asthma, it helped my baby's colic, it lowered my blood pressure, it took care of my acid reflux. And again, considering what I just mentioned, it now makes sense how some of those issues could come from your spine. Removing that interference, getting the body working better, and sometimes your body can heal those other things that don't typically bring a client into a chiropractic office initially. Now, what you want to consider is, what can chiropractic help you with? What are some of your conditions? What are some of your complaints? Or maybe you're just looking to stay healthy. And I would encourage you to give us a call today and let us check your spine for subluxation and start a path to a healthier life.